part of this game is the next 6 minutes. That's what's left in this period. If the T-Bird girls can give Valley Terrace and the rest of the guys a lead going into the fourth, the T-Birds stand a chance. Otherwise, it might be all over.
Okay, Debbie Garvey here, going out on the sandwiches. Nancy the Baby Fran. Nancy Fran got a 3-man, 2-man whip, or should I say 2-girl whip. Debbie Garvey right on her tail. Like you behind, there's a 4 under the back. Debbie Garvey really running on Nancy Fran. Nancy Fran stands up like a fast clamp.
Look at that arm.
Oh, what a hammer. Lifted her high and threw her down.
Right in the middle of that turn on that high bank. You have to beat strength. And take a pull down.
She picked up 2 points right there. She's just using her bump now. Number 28, Nancy Fran doing a very good job for the Devils. Continuing on around here, she's not going too fast, but a girl of that size wasn't really happy.
She's got everything moving. She has to run over garbage. She'll squash it.
Look out! What is going on here?
I can tell you, I don't like what's going on. I'm not sure what's going on.
Georgia Hoss, I think, Jess, is starting to build a place for herself.
As I said before, the commissioner had no choice but to rule in Hall's favor. Whitman is not doing anybody any good. Look at it. Look at her teammates out there.
This is disgusting, Jess. Watch this replay.
Now here comes Gran in here. Okay, now here's Whitman standing. Now look, she stepped aside, Ted. I think she took a lick at that devil Gamma out there.
But Jess, how is it possible for these girls to communicate like that out there?
Listen, there's so much action going on out here, it's hard for anybody to really tell. But I think she knows what's going on. Whitman ought to be careful, because if she's done ruin her career, she might get down.
Why don't you get out of here and leave me alone?
I think you're right, Jess. I think she knows